Hello and shalom guys. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we have a lady that is demonstrating to young girls, whether be they at school or wherever they may be, as long as they are young and they are receiving their monthly period. She is demonstrating how to wear and put a sanitary pad that is homemade and that can last for up to 3 years, beautifully and clearly. Please welcome to this video and let's have a look at what this lady is doing. This is a beautiful video that needs to be shared around. Let's have a look at what this lady is saying.
Nipadi hala up to 3 years bila kumiss shule. Hiyo chafu ulikuwa nayo, ukunje vizuri, uweke hapa. Fika nyumbani, usoko kwa maji baridi hivi, ufue na sabuni ya kipande. Ndio maana tumekupea kipande. Sawa? Ni hivyo tu. Sawa, mnafanya vizuri. At least mmejisikiza.
God bless you guys for watching that video. I hope we share hii video na a lady or a young girl somewhere so that they may learn that there are reusable parts that can be used. You don't have to have a lot of money to buy this from supermarkets. You can use this and it's up to 3 years. Please share this with a girl that may benefit from this. Also, it's critical for them to see this video so that they can understand how to actually, put the pad properly within the knicker so that it doesn't fall and bring what we call shame or stigma within the school. So guys, thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe.